So why would anyone give this beast more power? You'd have to be reckless.
Hey guys, LordTechPro here, and today I have a package which contains something which scratches at a level 2 with deeper grooves at level 3. This is JerryRigEverything's dBRAND Teardown Skin made for the MacBook Pro 16-inch M1 Pro. And I also have the complementing Trackpad skin. And today I am going to be installing these skins on my MacBook Pro. As you can see, it scratches very easily, even by my own fingernails. And inside we get a white microfiber cloth with a fancy diamond pattern on it. And we also get a black microfiber cloth, so we can choose whether you want black or white. And it has the same design on it. Moving on, this is the same design again. The diamond type with these eyes kind of thing, and it says purchase, delivered, and install. You can also go to dbrand.com/how to learn how to install this skin. So time to move all of this out of the way and take a look at the skin itself. Wow, that looks very true to life, like it's almost popping out at me. That's the fan, the two fans, that's the M1 chip, and that's the trackpad, and these are the batteries. There are 6 cells in total, and those are the speakers on the sides, and those are the USB ports, and the SD card reader, and the other microchips controlling it, and the transistors, and this is the battery control connector switch, and all the hinges, and of course the M1 chip. So first, to install this, I am going to use my special Apple cloth. I'm going to move it in one motion. You don't want any dust or any lint or any oils on it for the skin to stick properly without any issues. So I'll just give it a once over, and then it's on to installing the skin. Turn the laptop to the side, and then to install the skin, you need to first check if it's the right size. You may have bought a wrong one, who knows, and give it clean again to remove any dust or dirt particles. So I'll just do that. And once you've ensured that it's clean and free of any dirt or dust which may get stuck under the skin, you're also supposed to wash your hands, but it's too late for that now. Just start peeling from one side of the skin, both sides, like both corners, and then line these two corners to the corners on your Mac. Start with one corner first, just like so, and don't press down until you've got both of them aligned. So take your time. So align it properly first. So now both are more or less aligned, and once it's aligned, only then press down. Go in one smooth motion to avoid any bubbles, and then once you've got the two corners set up properly and one side proper, go ahead and slowly peel the skin. So I'm peeling it now. Keep a wet microfiber cloth with you, so if you see any dust or dirt particles, just clean it so you get a smooth finish when you install the skin. And once you've ensured there's nothing there, slowly peel up the skin, and then go from top to bottom. Keep pressing it, and if you see any bubbles, press down on the area. Don't use a spudger because this gets very easily scratched. Don't use your fingernails, just use your fingers, then go ahead and peel the rest of the skin while always pressing down on any new area you've uncovered. There are some bubbles here, so just go from a to and fro motion and then peel the rest. Do it step by step. So peel and then press and then remove any bubbles as and when you see them. And then that's it. There you go. It's aligned in a neat and nice manner. Just press, apply pressure everywhere evenly, and then you're good to go. So this is how the skin looks on the Mac. You can see the faint outline of the Apple logo. I have an M1 Max, but this is meant for the M1 Pro. The M1 Max is twice as big as the one mentioned here. And at the edges, you can see the hinge placement. It's very precise fit. It's a very precise fit, so that's very good. And now on to installing the Trackpad skin, which you can see at the top. Those are the magnets. So this corresponds to that. So to install, first shut down your Mac. It's going to anyway start up when you start installing the skin, because M1 Max, if you press the trackpad, it automatically boots up. So just peel it off on one side, and then the same as before, match up the two corners on the skin to the two corners on your trackpad. Once you've got it perfectly aligned, only then press down. So I'll try again. There you go. It's perfectly lined up. Now press down on both the corners, slide your finger along, slowly peel the rest of the skin, and press down again in a smooth motion. Keep peeling and keep applying pressure on the trackpad as you peel it. This ensures that no bubbles are formed. And then peel the rest of the backing tape off and press down. And there you go, that's it, a perfect installation. Now let's look at the top of the screen now. It looks amazing. There's the trackpad again. You can see the magnets, the aluminium frame, and the chips inside it, which power the Force Touch trackpad. The mirror finish on the top is just amazing. It's gorgeous. Great job, Zach.
So, when these new MacBook Pros got announced, my first thought was, I wonder if we can retire the travel iMac.